Hello, our requirement is when a lead will be converted, then this lead history for field lead source will be copied to contact. So here I am going to use a custom object that's called lead history. I've created this custom object lead history. See, and I have created a few of the fields. You can see contact lookup field. Now some text field filled, new value, old value. Okay, so this is my new object. So contact lookup means we are going to relate this record with contact. Now I have created one flow. So simply, go to the setup, then flow builder, and what I am doing here, when lead is converted, then we are checking from process builder that okay, lead is converted, lead has converted a contact ID. Then we are going to call this flow, and this flow will get all the lead history record where field equal to lead source, and then we are going to create the record of custom object. Now let's see step by step. So firstly, I have dragged the get record element from here. In this get record, I am simply getting the lead history, and criteria will be field equal to lead source. If you need for another field as well, then go ahead and add that field name. Now lead ID equals to obj lead dot ID. So here obj lead is a single variable record type. Obj lead data type record. How to create, you know already. Simply new resource, then choose a variable, then give a name. Now record, and here lead, and I am going to mark this available for input. You can check where obj lead is available for input, so that we can pass the instance of lead from process builder. So I have one variable obj lead. I have another variable called lead history, and object type will lead history. Again record, it's a standard lead history here. And I have one custom history, just if AME custom history. So while creating this variable, I have chosen lead history custom like this variable record and lead history. We know lead history custom. So we have three variables here. One is for lead record, one for lead history, and one for custom lead history. Now I have two another variable, that is collection variable. I am going to use later. So simply new resource, that will be again record type for lead history, and it will be collection. So again, this lead history is standard lead history, and here is LST custom history. You can say I have given the name custom, so we can identify that's lead history custom. Okay, and will be allow multiple collection. So we have 5 variable here. Now I will use these variables. So let's start again from the get records, lead history object. Which object? Standard lead history, because we are going to get the record from standard lead history. Now condition made, field equal to lead source, lead ID equals to obj lead dot ID, obj variable we created already. And now I have chosen all record, we need all records. Then I'm going to manually assign. So choose this option, and then record collection will be LST lead history. Remember LST lead history here, record collection variables. Okay, and we're going to take the field ID by default coming, new value string, old value string, field, and created date. So I'm going to take these fields value from lead history object, that is get record, and all assigned in lst lead history. Done. Now we need to use a loop element, subtract the loop elements, give a label and name. Now lst lead history, okay, and first item to last item basically, and now loop variable. So lead history means it is a standard lst lead history. So again here this will a standard lead history variable lead history. I need these assignments, so simply I drag assignment elements. So assignment, and what I am doing here, just say custom history variable we have now. Custom variable field c equal to lead history dot field, new value equal to new value string, old value custom field equal to, means we are just assigning the value from a standard lead history to our custom lead history. And apart, I have also created a history date c, so I'm putting history date equal to created date, and this is important because I need to link with contact. This newly created custom history record will link to contact. So yes, contact c equal to converted contact id, standard lead obj lead dot converted contact id. Done. Now since loop is running, means we have multiple elements, so I am going to put this variable, this custom history variable, in a list, a new assignment here, a new assignment, this one, and just I'm going to add list of custom history, this one, list of custom history dot add custom history. Done. Now see once again, first get record, start get record will link to loop, loop will go to assignment, then we are just again assignment, but here we are preparing the list, and it will go back to loop. So once loop over, then after last item there will be create record, and here how many record, multiple, and which one, list of custom history. Done. And just save it, activate it. Now we need to call this flow from process builder. So what we did in this flow, just getting records from a standard lead history object with the criteria lead id and lead source. Then we are using a for loop, like a loop here, for making an instance. Just you can see we are cloning in a different object, and here is the create record. So let's go for process builder. Process builder will be on lead when record is created and edited, and here is our criteria. Lead is converted true, and lead converted contact id is null false. Means since we are checking, okay, if contact is going to create, then if converted lead has a contact id, then converted contact id, then we are going to call the next action. So, and one more thing here, the advance mark this true, so that it will only execute whenever this criteria will match. Each converted equal to true. Here the details you can see, like only for a specific. Save it, add action, flow, and call the flow lead history when lead converted. And remember we have one input variable that's called obj lead equal to this one, complete instance of lead, save it, activate this, and let me convert this lead, convert this lead. Okay, so here we can see history, like let me change the source again, okay, so that we will have some more data. Okay, now I'm going to change this. Okay, so yeah, now convert this. Yeah, keep the default, convert. So let me go on the contact. Here is our lead history. See, load lead source. Earlier, new value phone inquiry, older was wave, then older was phone inquiry, then current was partner referral. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.